Kenny McCormick, the race car guy. How dare you get 100 subscribers? That is it, you're grounded, grounded, grounded forever. God, to your room now. Yes, I grounded Kenny McCormick, the race car guy.
Look, Lola. Chef Anderson family grounded me.
Oh, Chef, how dare you ground my dad just because he got 100 subscribers? That is it, I am calling Chef from South Park to ground you.
Oh my god, my fake clone, how dare you to ground Kenny McCormick, the race car? You know he is my favorite YouTuber, even next to a random Plymouth Fury, Zoboomafoo and Mighty Jungle Archive, Gordon Ramsay, and Ministry of Decast. That is it, you are grounded, 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 forever. Go to your room right now.
The world is spinning too fast. I'm fine that Nike shoes to keep myself tethered to the days I tried.